Hi, my name is Janeane Povilaitis, and I have an illustration company based out of San Diego, California. Some of my newest pieces this month are blacklight paintings and body art, and you can see one right here. This is a tropical storm that I started working on Saturday at the Bohemian Market down in San Diego, where I did some networking and live painting. In a few seconds, you'll see the whole process of this, from sketching out the palm trees to this stage. Detail as I go. Highlight details I feel should be added in the beginning. So later on, they're going to come behind the painting on top. So they're going to pop out really strongly with the black light. There's also some black light paint on this palette, even though it doesn't look like it. Like this is black light paint. I handed all of them. I actually have one of this one at home myself. I love it. Really? Yeah, like that's like sampler. Yeah, you can do that with these. Yeah. Totally. Yeah. Oh, thank you. And they're all like recycled material or upcycled materials and handmade. This is that's actually a little boy and little broke these things. Yeah, no, he feels, yeah. Whatever you get. Oh, really? Is it new? Oh, really? Wow. Awesome. Is it good? Right now it kind of looks like grass and ocean, but
I don't think you can find them anywhere.
trying to get the color down through this canvas.
Yeah, I really enjoy this. I'm 72 and I think she has more fun with it every time making something. Nice.
Always when you do a painting, you should work on both sides at the same time. Never work on one side, because you get general feeling throughout the picture, so it's good to just work on through, even if this side's not done.
I'm going to keep these little plastic things, if you don't mind, and stick you on a chart. Is that okay?
Taco isn't a mermaid. She's a fish person.
It's about time to clean my brush. $5 once.
You do the girls on YouTube dancing around. Let me fix that.
So, I'm working on the sky right now, and it's turning out so far so good. Just a little hard right now because the thing is with blacklight paint is it sticks, and it doesn't like to stick to other paint. As you can see, it's kind of glowing right there. It just likes to be by itself. Like, as you can see right here, it doesn't blend very gradually.
Yeah.
Because it's trying to be independent, trying to stick out. That's the only problem coming across. He's not going to try to use it as much for the base coat. The only reason why I'm using it for the base coat is when there's about 4 layers on top of it, the clouds will actually pop out 3D and glow. So that's usually what happens. Like that painting over there, like that's what it'll do. It'll pop out 3D, all the smoke, just because there's black light at the very base. So along those lines, I'm just kind of mixing it. Right here, this is traditional paint. You can see it goes on very smoothly, very nice. It sticks to the canvas. Whereas blacklight paint just chunks up like right there.
You can take pictures for free.
So far, this is just the first layer of the storm. Later on, I'm going to add some lightning and some lava flow and volcanoes. Right now, I'm just trying to get this basic shape going on the storm clouds. Making it go on very smooth. So.
It's all yeah, just focus it. What I mean.
But see right there, more blacklight paint. Just kind of separates.
You don't want to get any
Right there is some blacklight highlights.
Don't ask me for money. If anybody asks you for money, it's
my sister made a mistake.
That would make good gifts though. You should pursue that.
Yeah, she told us anything. I'm like, exactly. Nothing ever transpired.
I'm painting this right now because I actually grew up in the desert and I've always been fascinated with thunderstorms. And these were the thunderstorms I would see as a kid in the desert. I really like the large rolling clouds, black skies, and stuff.
Stuff like that. It's just about making money. They don't show it like that though. And that's why they come to here and share it. Because of the dollar.
I actually ran out of memory to film this, but this is what I've done so far. The palm trees here are complete blacklight paint, and some of the waves and the sky. So I'm going to be working on next, a little bit of orange, yellow, and white for the sunset. And then we're going to also do some accents on the ocean. So that's what I'm doing right now. Depth highlights. Then we're going to go back to the volcano lava and add some more detail. Some of the clouds, nice and smooth. Some blue and white. Need a little depth to it. Shadows. Move that out. Make the clouds kind of all connect, just add some white. Directly on the brush. Push that back.
Hi, dear heart. I'm downtown at the market, and
You can also add some more blues.
okay,
This is just regular paint, it's like hot butter. I'm going to try to work these white areas out.
you see the baby? Oh, so hyper. I know. Must be insane sometimes. Well, let me say hi to him real quick, and thank you so much. And Steve doesn't. Oh.
I'm gradually lighting as you go down, so one second.
Daddy will be there in about an hour. I'm sorry, what?
Hello.
No, Daddy will be there too.
Prints are only $5, and they're made from original prints.